kids, it's me Sophie, and for today's video we were going to make a clay butterfly. First, let's get a color pink clay, roll into a ball shape like this. Okay, and then get another or a different color of clay, and for this one I chose apple green. Alright, so we have two colors. Mold a ball shapes of a clay with the different sizes. Okay, so from big, medium, and then small. And then for our butterfly's tail, I choose the apple green, roll into a cone shape like this. So gentle press and put a tip like that. And then after this, place this to our small ball shapes. So our butterfly now have a tail. So we're done in the body. Get another color of clay. I choose for this one a purple, and this one is our butterfly's wing. So mold into cone shape and press, hard press in the middle like that. Okay, and then attach to our butterfly's body. So you have to make 4 of it. Okay, like that, and make sure that they stick together properly. Okay, and kids, if you want to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click the subscribe button. Okay, you may also check the description box below for our website, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So this is gonna be our final wing for our butterfly, and ta-da! So we have now a butterfly's wings. So we're almost done. Get a color black clay, mold into small balls. So this is gonna be our butterfly's eye, like that. Okay, place into our butterfly's head. Make 2 of it. Okay, and then get a white color clay and roll it into a tiny ball shapes and place to our butterfly's eye. Ta-da! So we're almost done. And for the final, for the lips, get the color black clay and put the mouth in and place like a smiley so that our butterflies looks like so happy. And for the final and for the antenna, let's get a metal wire, insert into our butterfly's head like that. So you need to have 2 of it. Alright, then roll a small ball shape. For this one, I chose the purple, then placed it into our metal wire. Then for the final antenna, yay! And ta-da! We have now a clay butterfly. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today and see you on my next video. Bye!